So now the farming season have started and we've seen our farmers always busy, and those people who are weeding their farms and stuff, they are doing it because the season have started and they want to make it so that at the end they too can make something from it. And we know agriculture is the main industry that is holding the country or helping this country. And we know without food we cannot survive, because food is the only thing that helps us. You can't stay a week or a day without taking food. We've seen how agriculture is very important, and we see most of our farmers this season have started, and the main thing or the only thing that hold our farmers back from their crops and starts or their work to grow is through capital. And we see a lot of people too, they have the capital but they cannot leave their works and go to the farm. And also some too, they don't even have the idea or the skill to be able to to grow the farm or do the farm and make profit from it. So here come this program called Grow for Me that have been brought out by MTN Ghana, and they are using it to help our farmers to be able to grow more, and also help those of us in our office, in our school, and in our daily work who cannot be able to leave their work and go out and do farming. So this is how this Grow for Me program works. It was introduced by MTN and it been working very good, and a lot of farmers have been not taking part for them to be able to get what will help them to grow more and give us more food for us to eat. And this method, they have some crops that have been listed in this program. We have crops like rice, maize, we have soya beans, shea nut, cocoa, and stars that have been listed in this program. And this program, they had a period that each of the crops out there yield. So what you and I in our office can do to help is, because we cannot leave our daily work and come out and work in the farm, we too we can use our small money to help farmers so that they can work and give us more food. So they have introduced it so we can give us our money as capital for these farmers, and at the end of the crop seeding, we get interest from what we give out. They have a percentage that been listed on each program, so that when you go out there and buy the program and the time comes and the farmer made profits, they will share the profits between you and the farmer. So you too, you get your profits, and the farmer too will get his or her profits, right? So you get your capital you use invested in, and also interest from it. Farming is not everyday profit making business. There's no guarantee that you invest your money and make profit from it. You can invest your money, but there won't be any return for you. But you get your capital that have been invested in that business. So if you have watched till now and you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe. Let's grow this channel together, because I'll give you benefits and stuffs on how you can grow your finances and also become a financial table of freedom. Kindly subscribe, like this video, share to others also to enjoy. Let's get to the screen and learn everything step by step. To invest in Grow for Me, you go to your phone, open your phone and dial the MTN Momo code. When the prompt come out, you go out there and choose the option 5. You will see this starts another prompt. So this prompt, we are going to choose option 4 for pension and investment. And then here you see we have a lot of options here. That's 3 options: my own pension, buy treasure bill, and Grow for Me. So choose option 3 for Grow for Me. So here come the prompt out, and the first option, I want to fund and invest. The second option, check my update. The third option, I want to buy. And then the fourth one, I want to sell. And then the next one, I am a farmer. So these are the prompts that you can choose out from. Okay, so the first one, in case you want to invest in this crop, and buy means you are going to buy crops that you think you want to make a profit between or at the end of that period, right? So I will choose I want to buy. So this one, we have those crops out here. We have cocoa, cocoa or shea nut, that's 2025, and then on the second quarter. And then we have cashew, 2025 second quarter. we have soya beans trade of 2025. So and then we have maize. So let's say I want to invest in maize, I'll choose option 5. So here it says this tells you or makes you know the profit that you are making out of it. So 1 unit cost of maize trade is what is 1050, and the profit yield is what 5.43% up to 12.86%. Then you choose the number of units that you want to buy. The maximum number that you can buy is what 650 units, right? So you can buy 650 units. Okay, so in case I want to buy 5, I will choose 5. Then they will calculate it for me. So this is the total amount of money I will pay for it. Okay, so the total cost is what 5,215, and then trade date, and then the payback is December 23, 2025. So in case you want to continue, then you choose. If not, you choose no, I want to try, then you try it, or yes, then you do it, then you boom. Now let's look at other crops. So let's try other stuffs and see. Now let's choose cocoa for instance. So 1 unit of cocoa is what 1837.5. That's 1 unit of cocoa. And then the maximum amount I can buy is what is 650. So let me say I buy 5. Okay, so here is the total cost. So my total cost is 9,883.5, and then here is the calculation out there. My trade date is what April 1st. It will end on September 30th, and then the payback will be what the same month and stuff. So this is how you can invest in this digital farming.